Modifying layout of a paragraph. One of the fundamental typography specification for laying out paragraph is determining how they will appear in relation to the left or right margin. Word refers to this specification as alignment. There are 4 types of paragraph element you can set within the word. Left aligned. All line in the paragraph butt up against the left text margin. No extra space are added to the line. The text of each line does not line up with the right margin, so traditional typesetting terminology often refers to left aligned text as ragged right. Center aligned. All lines in a paragraph are centered between the left and right text margin. No extra spaces are added to the line. The text line up with neither the left or the right margin. Right aligned. All lines in paragraph butt up against the right text margin. No extra space are added to the line. The text of each line does not line up with the left margin, so traditional typesetting terminology often refer to right aligned text as ragged left. Justified. All lines in the paragraph are expanded so they butt up against both the left and right margin. A space is added between words and characters as necessary to fill out the line. In some typesetting reference, justified text is also referred to as full justified. This alignment affects all lines in the paragraph except for the last one, which is left aligned. Setting alignment through paragraph dialog box. Many of the paragraph formatting options described in the previous section and additional paragraph formatting options are available in the paragraph dialog box, which has 2 tabs: indent and spacing, line and page break. Before opening the paragraph dialog box, place your cursor anywhere within the single paragraph that you want to format or select the multiple paragraph that you want to format. To open the paragraph dialog box on the home tab or on the page layout tab at the bottom of the paragraph group, click the paragraph dialog box launcher. When you click OK on the paragraph dialog box or press enter, any changes that you have made on the either tab will be applied to the single paragraph where your cursor was located or to the paragraph that you selected. The paragraph formatting options that are available on the indent and spacing tab of the paragraph dialog box are divided among the general, indentation and spacing group.